Hey there, let me give you a quick intro to starting your first Kittl design. Now, over here in the left side panel, you're going to see a lot of different options, but we're going to get started with the templates panel right here, where we can search through a ton of incredible designs to edit and get started with. For example, I'm going to type in music, scroll down, and I'm going to pick this one right here, where we can click in and start editing. For example, maybe we want this template to be more about coffee instead of music, so I've just clicked in. You can easily click in and start editing your text. We also have these different text effects, which you can see over here in the right side panel, and we can instantly edit the transformation by clicking edit transform, and then we can move this around to find an area that feels pretty good. For example, I think maybe right here is good. Now, we also have a feature in Kittl called the quick replace feature, where if I click this little illustration of this cute guy right here, I can go over into the illustrations panel, and then as you can see, I've already typed in coffee bean, and we have this quick replace button where if I just click replace, it keeps everything the same dimensions, color, style that I need in my template in one click. We can actually take this a step further using a newer feature called Kittl Flows. So if I click on this little arrow here next to the right side of the artboard, if I click it, it's going to add a smartboard here where I can just type in what I want to see or change about this design. So I'm going to paste in a prompt I've already prepared here where I want to see this design mocked up on the back of a t-shirt, but we don't have to stop with just one. I can add multiple. For example, I want the right side element to change to a to-go coffee cup, which is what I asked it to do. So we're going to give this just a second and see what it comes up with easily by just prompting. So here we have that to-go coffee cup. Here we have the mock-up of a black t-shirt of someone working in a coffee shop, which is exactly what I wanted. You can even get a little more advanced with how you use Kittl Flows. For example, now that I really like that coffee cup, I want to extract it by itself to use as its own element. And so here we have our coffee cup illustration where we can now use features like converting it to an image, using our remove background feature to remove the background, and even using a vectorizer feature to create a vector from this cup. And once it is vector, we can do everything from scaling it up, scaling it down. We can change the colors to whatever we want. And there is so much more for you to explore in Kittl. So give it a try and see how Kittl can supercharge your creative flow.